Welcome to Brain Vision.
For the given problem, we would like to design an experiment to determine whether the longitudinal or transverse pulses have a higher speed on slinky. The experiment can be done using a slinky and a stopwatch. Let's start with the transverse pulse. Let's say this is a transverse pulse. First, we need to attach the end of the slinky to the wall. So let's say here is the slinky attached, while holding the other end of by hand. So we'll hold this by hand here. To create a transverse pulse, you need to shake the slinky up and down. Once the pulse is initiated, turn the stopwatch on. The pulse will travel along the slinky and hit the wall. So when it hits the wall here, and then comes back, when the reflected pulse reaches you here, then stop the watch. In order to create a longitudinal pulse, you need to shake the slinky back and forward. So let's say, so here's the slinky. We will shake back and forth here to create a pulse. Once the pulse is initiated, turn the stopwatch on. The pulse will travel along the slinky to form the compression and hits the wall. Then it will come back. When it is reflected and reaches you, stop the stopwatch. After doing the two experiments, compare the time for this transverse and longitudinal. For the reflection back, the pulse that takes a shorter time will be the one with a higher speed. We notice that there will be uncertainty in the results because you might turn on the stopwatch after or before the motion starts or ends. To overcome this uncertainty, we usually repeat the experiment more and more, which will allow us to get a wider range of results that we will take the average value of those results.